Alright, so here checking out Kayak Point. A lot of renovations going on here. They got the boat launch done. The pier's still closed. They're going to replace that in phase 2. It's an absolutely gorgeous day out here. Buddy wants to go play. Hermit crab somehow making it through with part of a shell. There you go. There's another little crab right there. So the whole parking lot's been redone here. That is awesome. It is really a nice new parking lot here. Then over here is the new boat launch. Come on. Come on, bud. Buddy's very excited to be here. It's one of his favorite places. So another interesting thing I noticed here is that it's sloped great, because all the water is going to either drain back to the boat launch, or on the other side it's going to drain through these blocks, and there's actually a drainage ditch that they installed. So you can kind of see these streaks on the new asphalt here. So all the water is going to drain right over here, go through the curb and into this drainage ditch, which is pretty good. We'll see if the salt water ends up affecting the grass there or not, but so here's our new boat launch. It'll be so nice not getting stuck in the sand. Don't know what's going on with these big pontoons over here, if they're building more docks or another, looks like probably more of this here, so they'll have more dock access. Hopefully another launch lane too would be nice. But this is great, although that sandbar is going to be a problem at low tide. So obviously not a problem for a kayak. And then the pier still isn't done yet. They're gonna redo all of that, so there's no crabbing out here right now, no clamming, no fishing out here from the dock or the pier. Obviously you can still do it out in the sound, but what a beautiful day. So the playground is still closed. I don't know if they're doing any other improvements or adding to it or not, but yeah, this is still closed. So basically the park's only open right now from June until October, and then they'll start doing the phase 2 of all of the renovations. So this will all be open next summer, but I can't wait for this park to come back, because man, this is one of my favorite places. Now we're out on the other side of the pier. Yeah, out there trolling very slowly. Maybe he's sitting there going for flounder. So it's still Kayak Point. Not a lot's changed, but just takes some time to get these improvements done, and it'll be so much better in the long run. So over there is Camano Island, and if I paddled from here, from this launch, all the way out to that southern tip and around and back, is about a 12-mile paddle. So it's a good workout. But today was nice and calm. When the tide starts ripping and changing here, it can take a bit longer to do that kind of a paddle, especially if you're going against the tide. So Here comes the lawnmower, so that's my cue to sign off. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye now. All right, so here's the sign right here.